When you're multiplying complex numbers, and a complex number is just a number that's in the form a plus bi or a minus bi, the main difference between i's and x's is if you have an I to the second power, it's equal to -1. In this particular problem, I need to distribute the -3i because it's out in front of parentheses. So if I distribute that through, -3i times -5 is positive 15i, then -3i multiplied by 2i is -6i squared. So this I to the second power, that needs to be replaced with -1. So if I replace that I squared with -1 and keep going, -6 multiplied by -1 is positive 6, and then bring down the 15i. This answer is correct essentially, but formatting wise, complex numbers, the format of them is a plus bi. So the a is 6 and the b is 15. So we want to put the number first. So I'm going to write this as 6 plus 15i as my final answer. Okay, one more example here. If I multiply these two together, I'm going to use FOIL. So -2 multiplied by positive 4 is -8. Outside, -2 times -6i is is positive 12i, sorry, negative times negative positive. Inside, 3i times 4 is 12i. And then last times last, 3i times -6i is -18i squared. And once again, we see that I squared come up. So we need to replace this I squared with -1. If I replace the I squared here with -1, we can continue simplifying. -18 multiplied by -1 is positive 18. Bring the rest down. And then when I go to combine like terms, once again, the formatting, the final answer for complex numbers should be a plus bi. So -8 and positive 18 make 10, and I'm going to put that first, and then 24i at the end.